See you at the finish line, loser! Lily, help me!
Welcome to this year's whitewater boat race. This competition is about rowing skill, calm thinking, and the ability to overcome the challenges of the river.
I've trained a lot for today. Training a lot still won't help you beat me, Lily. I'll take good care of it. I don't think I'll need it. I'll reach the finish before anything happens.
Never underestimate this river. Speed is not everything.
I understand.
Pip surreptitiously checked the small, concealed engine.
Racers, get ready!
Pip stealthily flipped the engine switch to make the boat go faster.
Sorry, Lily, but I have to win. How is Pip moving so fast? I told you, I'm gonna win this race.
The two boats entered a bend in the river, where large rocks lay beneath the surface. The current began to strengthen, making the boats difficult to maneuver. Lily slowed down and used her paddle to gently adjust her course.
Don't rush. Just stay calm. Are you still busy dodging rocks? Pip! Be careful. There are underwater rocks here. If you keep going that slowly, you'll never win.
She immediately sat up to check. A faint cracking sound came from beneath the boat's floor. Pip opened the compartment near the engine and discovered a crack in the hull. A little water began to seep in. She was worried for a moment, but quickly grabbed a piece of cloth to cover it temporarily.
It's fine. Just a small crack.
At the same time, Lily paddled close to the riverbank and saw a large warning sign.
Pip! Did you hear that? It's dangerous up ahead. I just need to reach the finish line first. Don't let winning make you forget about safety.
Lily kept up a steady rowing rhythm, even though she was starting to get tired. Pip deliberately steered his boat close against Lily's. The oar slipped from Lily's grasp, flew up, and fell into the water.
Could that be Whirlpool Gorge?
At that very moment, the loud roar of rushing water rang out ahead. Lily's boat no longer had oars, so it began to spin out of control.
I have to find a way to move.
Lily opened the boat's compartment. Her gaze rested on the bright red tarpaulin.
This tarp?
Lily recalled the moment at the harbor when Luke handed her these items before they set off. The little girl immediately took out the tarpaulin. The red sheet billowed in the wind like a small sail. Up ahead, Pip was still racing toward the whirlpool. In the whirlpool area, the river becomes turbulent with swirling currents, constantly pulling everything toward the center. The engine suddenly cut out, and the boat was swept along by the rushing current. Pip looked down and froze as he saw water pouring in through the crack, caused by the earlier collision with the rocks.
No! The crack is getting bigger! Help me! Don't worry, I'll get you out of there.
Why are you coming back? I played dirty against you.
Because you're in danger. I'll use this rope to pull Pip over here.
Lily, don't come too close. You could get pulled in too.
Lily! Help me!
I got it. Lily, I'm sorry. I cheated. I tried to make you lose. That doesn't matter right now. What matters is that you're safe.
Lily, thank you for not abandoning me. The important thing is that you're safe.
Lily and Pip returned to the harbor together. Up ahead, the Bay of Light came into view. Luke and the villagers were waiting at the finish line.
I'm sorry. I cheated in the race, and I played dirty against Lily.
What matters is that you realized your mistake and chose to change.
Thank you for saving me, even though I didn't deserve it. Everyone can make mistakes. What matters is that we fix them.
Today, the winner is not only the one who crosses the finish line first, but the one who helps others in difficult times.
In the glow of the sunset over the Bay of Light, Lily and Pip gazed at the trophy, realizing that friendship and honesty were the greatest victories of all.